Are you consistently losing trade or wasn't sure what type of trader you are? Well, today I'll be bringing you all the information that you need to know about all different type of traders on the market and see which one will be best suitable for you, and so that you can make more money into the cryptocurrency for trading. What's up everybody, welcome to Big Al Small Talk. I'm Big Al. In this channel I'll be bringing you all the information that you need to know about cryptocurrency trading and business as well. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely click the subscribe button down below and like the video and share it with your friends, as your support will be the greatest motivation for my continuous making the videos. Just letting you guys know, for the next month I'll be continuing to bring out all the basic knowledge about cryptocurrency space. If you're beginner traders or if you're beginning to enter in the cryptocurrency, definitely check out some of the video that I have in my channel, because I'll be continuing doing a step-by-step journey of what you need to know before getting yourself into cryptocurrencies. Before I start though, this is a disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor. I may have knowledge in financial trading, but in this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. You always need to do your own research. I do not advise that you buy or sell, trade or invest in any cryptocurrency. Please contact your financial advisor before you make any mistake. So let's begin. Traditionally, there are four types of traders out there on the market. Scalp traders, commonly known as scalpers, day traders, swing traders, and also position traders. Commonly wouldn't classify position traders as traders, as they're more towards buy and sell investors, in my opinion. But all of that, they are all different type of traders that you need to know, and finding the right trading strategy for each particular trader will actually help you alongside the journey. So let's start off with scalpers. So scalpers, they commonly trade by the number of minutes. They do very short-term trades. They only stay in the position for a few seconds or even minutes. Commonly, they focus on the smaller time frames, such as 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 5 minute time frames. While scouting, they tend to trade a smaller target profit, where they just hit in and out straight away. Day traders, on the other hand, they focus on the period of trading by the start of the day till the end of the day. Commonly for day traders, they normally use 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours as their guidance when they're doing the technical analysis. We'll be going through a little bit further to the technical analysis later down the track as well, so stay tuned. Swing traders. Swing traders as commonly trade for a few days or even monthly. Normally place their trade for a very long period of time so that they can get in and get out in a larger range, so that they can actually maximize their profit. So these are the three main traders, and like I said, the fourth one, which is the position traders, they commonly stay in the trade for a very long time. They normally hold up for like few months of their trade or even years of their trade. I normally classify these position traders like a long-term investment. So now you know these four main categories of the traders. What you need to look at is how do they trade physically. What I normally do is, it's better to find out your personality and your lifestyle to best suitable for what type of trading are for yourself. So commonly for me, in the case that I normally do day trading and position tradings. So position trading tend to be on my long-term portfolio, where I continue build up my stocks, and where my day trading is generate like consistent profit daily, so I have a daily revenue allowing me to continue to invest on my long-term investments. There are different type of philosophy into trading as well. Commonly people, as you probably heard about, it's the technical analysis. So technical analysis, what they commonly use is they use the price action and the price movement to indicate it where is the next position for the entry and exit point. Some people might say that technical analysis is a dealer's trading platform, and a lot of mainstream traders may not be trading on technical analysis, but I have to admit that personally myself, I am a technical analysis, and I've been using technical analysis strategy for over a few years of my trading, and it has turned out really great. But of course there are also other influence when you come to trading as well, which is news. But when I'm doing my day trading, I normally don't focus much on news. I only focus on the technical analysis, just because the price movement is more important than anything else. Well, but that's, like I said, it's subjective. News does have the effect sometimes, but it only comes to major market movement. When it comes to technical analysis, there are three types of traders that uses technical analysis to trade. Momentum traders, reversal traders, and also what we call the range traders. So momentum traders, they are tend to trade on the momentum. So for example, now it's a bear market in crypto space. Guess what momentum traders gonna be doing? Shorting the hell out of it. And for the reversal traders, as the word is sound, reversal. Common reversal trader do is they wait for the reversal signal happens, trying to get the maximum profit when the trend movement continues. So for reversal trader in the cryptocurrency right now, what they want is hoping for the bear market to kick in any minute now. So once when the bear market comes in, they can hit the reversal and get on the bottom, on the lowest point, and smack bang to the top. And finally, range traders. I think range trader had an awesomest time during the period of around August to October, where the Bitcoin was slowly going down, but it was consistently hitting on the certain range. So what range traders normally do is they set up the lowest buying and the highest selling point. And what they do is they trade between of the zigzag wave. So that's what the range trader commonly do, is they pretty much just buy on that range, on the bottom, and sell on the top, and then continue bouncing it off until the price has moved out of their zone. That's the time when they actually stop their trading and wait for another consistent trading happens and occur. So now I have explained so much about the type of traders and what type of technical analysis traders normally use for their trading. So the next things that what we will be focusing on is actually buying in. So what that means is picking the strategy, it's great, but picking the right tool for yourself for investment, it's even important than picking the strategy, because having the right tool allowing you to get better in your trading. There are a few types of trading contracts on the market: option, features, and spots. Commonly for a day trader or even a scalper, they commonly will be using futures contract for maximize their profit in trading. The main reason for that is because there is leverage or margin occurs in the contract itself. So what you can do is you can, by increasing the leverage or the margin itself, that allowing you to increase the profit potential. But also be careful as well, because the higher the leverage, meaning the higher of the risk, even though it gives you a better returns. In my opinion, when I'm scalping, I normally use around 80 to 100 leverage per trade, because like I said, I'm only catching a few seconds of the trade, and I wanted to make sure that these few seconds worth the while. So what I normally do is that by having a 80 to 100% leverage, ensuring myself that firstly I'll be trading in that particular period, having the maximum gain. So that's the beautiful part about trading futures. But like I said again, there's also what we call it the spike, which a lot of common day trader knows about, is that when you put a trade and it hit over the price position, what happened is for the crypto trading space, there's what we call a margin call, which they will actually cancel the trade for you due to the ability of your holdings. So if you want to know a little bit more about the margin and how the calculation, it's better for you to go to the Binance to understand the calculation for that. I will drop the link down below as well, so you can check it out, and if you want to do the math yourself. But I definitely do not stress too much, is that for a beginning trader, I strongly do not use more than 10x leverage when you start trading, just because there's a lot of high risk and you will get a lot of spike out. And that's the main reason why I don't suggest using leverage for any beginner traders. So that's the features. Option commonly is a contract which is issued by the exchange, where you're betting against the set period of time in the future where the price they buy is selling you for. It sounds very confusing. It is. But people that gets it, they get it. People doesn't get it, they will never get it. In trading option, there are benefit and cons. A lot of experienced traders commonly always say that option is the safest way to trade, but for a non-experienced trader, options sometimes can be very hard. What option normally do is this: they will give you what they call a call option and a put option, which is like a long and short. Call stands for long, put stands for short. And what happens is they will give you a price to start off, where the contract when they originally issue. For example, if there's an option of call in a Bitcoin, they will have an option of saying that you put a call option in, they will give you a strike price. So a strike price is like your initiate pricing. So it can be manually selected by the contract which the exchange provides for you. And that price, which what you are betting on to see that if the price will go over that or below that, join the 30-day period, or depends on the contract they set out on a certain period. Once when the period has ended, what happens is you need to exchange a contract. So whatever the strike price is, and compared to the current price of the actual coin, is your profit in the between. So I know it sounds very confusing. Like I said again, option, it is quite confusing. I strongly recommend option trader is for people that has a lot of experience in swing trading. Just because that they are really dedicated onto their price action and things like that. So why would people trade option? The main reason for that is because trading in option, there's a lot of like tricks and strategy which you can be using, allowing you to minimize the cost you have on the option contract and maximize your profit itself as well. So that is option for you. And finally, spot. So spot trading is pretty much buying in without any leveraging of the actual coin, and also allowing you to take 100% ownership of the coin itself in a particular current price. So a lot of spot traders also tend to be position traders or the investors themselves. So when you're trading in the spot trading, you're pretty much buying the property of the coin itself. So now you know all about the different type of trader out there on the market. What you need to do is to find out what is the best type of trader for yourself. And my definitely strong suggestion is that by putting the consideration of your personality and your lifestyle into the heavy consideration. In the number of years of experience in trading, I've decided to myself that doing a day trader is something that I feel like I'm more passionate about. And having a position trader by investing on some really small kind of coins, allowing me to maximize my profit whenever these coin does go up in the market. The successful coin that which I have picked it before, Shiba Inu, Boda, these all have given me more than 50 to 100x in return. And that's because when I was doing position trader, I do a lot of research about the coin and why I think that they have a true value, which allowing them to pump. I know in my last video I did mention that Shiba Inu was a shitcoin and that it's based on community. But when I first introduced Shiba on the very lowest point, Shiba had a really great marketing team where they were consistently posting like updates and everything else, and that's what I have taken and took on the bet on thinking that if there's a consistent marketing team and their background rolling out the coin, eventually there will be reach publicity for that. And because of that reasons, there will be a lot more people buying in the coin just for the sake of community purpose. And obviously my bet was right. But of course there's a numbers of coins that I have invested on has not become that profitable. So be careful and think wisely when you come to trading, okay? And for day traders, a secret tip that I would like to share for every video that I have. For my leverage position, what I commonly use for my day trading are between 15 to 18 leverage up to around 25 to 40 leverage. That's my day trading margin. The only time I normally use up to 40 leverage is when I see a massive trend movement. That is something that you guys should be consider. I spent a long time calculating what is the safest leverage, and the leverage point that I normally use is 18, 20, 25 and 40. These are the 4 leverage points that I use. Any trade that I feel uncertain during a day trade, I normally use 18, or sometimes I even use lower than that, depends on how uncomfortable I am. But 18 tend to be my lowest leverage point, and the highest and the midpoint for pretty much all the standard is between 20 to 25 leverage. So that depends on how comfortable I am with that particular trade there, and what was the zone and the particular outline market on the above. So that's all the information that I have provided for you guys. If you guys really like the video, definitely hit the like button down below. So stay tuned, I'll be bringing you more information. As like I said, I want this for the first months, I want this to be based on beginner traders. After next month, I'll be start rolling in towards the crypto news and what are the current top pick of the coin that I have. Because like I said, these days are still the bear market, so I'll be also explaining to you about what other strategies which I personally taking at the moment for the pandemic like this at the moment, and what I think will happen in the future. Okay, so stay tuned. Peace out.